Welcome back to Now or Never Adventures. We are a family of 4, trying to live our life a little differently than the norm. In this video, we witness our first yacht grounding, have our inverter blowout, install the Genoa, and get our first big wind. We've just put the battens in this sail. This is an original sail, 16 years old. We're going to find out how long and far it takes us.
So now we're doing the reefs.
We have 2 reefs, so it's not really going to be good for a storm, is it?
Lovely and flat, and it's hot.
So hot.
I really hope he knows what he's doing. It's unbelievable. Is he sailing? I'm watching. Well, he's got some guts, right? And making us feel nervous. He's sailing into the shore.
There's obviously more water there than we can see, right?
Yeah, probably. But yeah, not really supposed to sail through the anchorage like that.
Is he landed?
Yeah, I think so.
He's got himself stuck, right?
You think so?
He ain't moving.
No. So we have a problem, yes. We have a problem with our inverter. So this morning we did use our toaster, and then it started smelling melted plastic.
The toaster is rated for 800 watts and this inverter is rated for 1000 watts.
Yeah, so technically it should manage, right?
Yeah.
But it didn't. It started smelling melted plastic, so we turned it off.
Now it's faulty.
Now it's faulty, so we need a new inverter. So the more we do, the more we discover things are just not in the state that they should be. But we'll fix it, right, Chris?
Mm-hmm.
Can you swim?
I can swim.
Sharks don't come in the
It's warm.
It's warmish.
Just slowly get in. No?
That is, sharks only go in the Mediterranean.
They're not diving.
Oh, I wanted to come with you.
You know who's armband?
Where is the
Is it deep? It's 13 metres deep.
Yeah, it's deep, I know deep, but is it good?
Never been so close to the side of it.
No? Bad.
Dinghy!
It's fun.
It's warm.
It's gone.
Baby dolphin. Hey!
Oh my god.
Hey!
The dinghy's basically drowning in the water. The dinghy's sinking. Is that a bottle? I think they just chucked the bottle into the sea. No, they literally just kicked it. That's scented.
We are doing a real temporary stitch on our sail that we think is 16 years old. Just a temporary thing.
We have a sewing machine.
We have a sewing machine, but our inverter burnt out, failed, and then we bought a new one.
So,
and then that one.
well, we'll put glue here.
Burned.
Glue and stitch.
Glue and stitch.
And go. Glue, stitch and go.
So professional sailors, professional stitchers. Call us on 0800. No. Don't call us. We'll call you. Guys, don't worry. It's not a professional job, as you can see. It's only a temporary thing because we had a choice: leave it with nothing, or put at least something.
It's a nylon thread. So
Yeah, nylon thread.
it's the strongest you have. A bit of glue. So
Double nylon thread. Blah. And this is obviously some old thread here. Right, more. Here they must have done a halyard hitch, because there's a bit of burn here.
Same.
And it looks like that was cut it.
So we're going to put Genoa on today.
Yeah, good luck to us.
So
We're going to use a butt line hitch.
So we're using a butt line hitch to secure it to the halyard. So this is the book that we use, because we don't know all the knots yet.
What do we do? So we go over the top, underneath.
Doesn't look secure enough to me. No, I don't think that's right, Chris.
No?
No. Let's try again. So if can you try to do the same? So you go cross and then under. So you go under the big bit, yeah?
Yeah, and then over both.
Hold on, let me turn this. So knot is done. Butt line hitch. Okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's strong enough. Time to put Genoa on. Our original old sail.
Yeah, so I think we said before, we bought this boat, and they say it's great sails, brilliant, good condition sails. Kevlar, which apparently I've read and spoke to friends and people, it should last somewhere around 4 to 5 years. These appear to be original sails.
Yeah.
So these are 16 years old.
16.
Not 4 years old.
No. 16.
Good condition apparently, but obviously you can see there's been lots of repairs. And they said there was no repairs.
Thank you.
So don't trust a Swede as far as you can chuck him.
So we don't actually know whether we'll be able to make it to Turkey on these sails, but we'll try. And then maybe you have to get new ones when we're in Turkey. Not something we wanted to do, but I guess there's not much choice here. Just go with what you have. Embarrassing. Right, so it's hooked on, and I'm gonna go pull the halyard, shall I?
Yeah.
Real careful. You're right. You escaped.
Right. We need to furl it in now.
Yeah. It's massive. Isn't it? Absolutely massive. Shame about the writing.
They're flapping, they're not powered up, meaning we're not moving.
So, operation failed. We have failed a little bit.
We failed, and we knew, I knew
What?
that I
First thing
needed to
again.
fix the sort out the furler rope before you do anything. When Waypoint took the sails off, furler was loose, and I said that we should do that, but I
Russian a little bit more, I think.
I sort of pulled it, and it sort of seemed to be working okay.
But again, we started doing something and the wind has picked up now. Usually in the evening you don't get wind like this. And
Not at this time of night.
And then when it's time to do the Genoa,
Not at this time of night for the last 3 weeks, right?
yeah, so we failed.
So that's a fail. But we didn't crash into the Germans.
So yeah, we
so
started.
it's good, yeah?
We started powering up and going towards them.
We did a bit of sailing.
Yeah.
Yeah, on anchor. and we depowered.
Don't do that.
We took the sails completely off now, and we need to just maybe put it to bed.
I must say, I had obviously we turned the engine on and stuff, and then I had mental block thinking, what do we do then? And obviously, yeah, well, you drop the sail, don't you? But
and I was crying.
Yeah, James was crying because he got scared. It was making a lot of noise, and
Even though I'm 9.
it's alright. We're safe.
I was making sure I wasn't getting blown off the boat by the.
Yeah, because
by
you're
the
getting
general.
whacked by it, weren't you?
I didn't get whacked by it. I didn't get hit by it once.
But Chris must get a haircut.
At least
I'll
it
get a
wasn't-
haircut when this Jenna was on.
And we've got Genuine! Woohoo! We put it up this morning. There it is. Not crashing into anyone.
Oh, that's the Apple TV. Ah, okay. Right, what shows have we got on?
We've got the only one that's tuned in is Channel 4. They have put it onto Channel 4. Okay. Channel 4. The Pink Baby and Blue Baby Show. Hello everyone. We are the Pink Baby and Blue Baby Show, and today the best paintings on that people have sent to us, and we can't wait.
Boys have made a television today. Pretty cool. All the technology, they've created a cardboard box television. So we've got some big winds at the moment, so it looks like we've got a bit of a storm coming in Preveza today. Not sure if you can hear me from here, but I have a line I'm keeping an eye on. See what you can see through here. We've got an electrical pylon and a solar panel on the roof on the building behind. So I'm just checking to make sure that the solar panel is always on the right hand side. If it goes to the left, then we may be dragging. Doesn't look that bad right now, but it is gusting a little bit. I'll show you here. So it's only 13 right now. I'm sure you can see. If I have a look at what it has been, 26.6 just a few minutes ago. So it's has been quite, and we're on a depth of 5 meters. Normally we're on a depth of 10 to 13, so we're being pushed into shallower waters.